guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have something completely new by Stylevana, and I'm so excited to show you. They now have Vana boxes. Do you want to know what's in my box and what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I just received this Vana box. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me this box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, you guys, Stylevana, I have been bringing to my channel some products that you can buy directly from their website, which I do have a code and all of that, and I will link everything down below. But they now have came out with these new Vana boxes, and I'm so thankful that I get to be a part of this to show you guys their new boxes. Now there's 5 different ones, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about them, and then we're going to open up the one that they had sent to me. They are very affordable, and there's different price points for the different style boxes. They're all curated over a specific theme as well. Super exciting. So each Vana box contains a fixed set of hand-picked items that can help you with your Korean skincare and beauty needs. They are super affordable, and they are available on their site starting June 9th. So you should be seeing this on June 9th. So today they are now available directly from their site. And again, everything will be linked down below. My code with Stylevana is INF10 SheCrafty, and that'll get you 10 to 15% off. 10 always, and 15 if you get over a certain dollar amount, I do believe. So the different boxes that they have a Glow Skin Booster box. That one is valued for $49.99. Then they have the Skincare Starter box. That is $31.99. They have the Acne-Busting Hero box, and that is what I should have right here. This one would be $34.99. They have Beauty A-Lister box, which is $39.99, and then a Wrinkle Fighting box for $39.99. So they range anywhere from $31.99 to $49.99, depending on which set you would prefer. So all of the individual links for each box will be listed down below. So if there's one in particular you want to just go check out, you can click that specific link and go right to that box. So let's go ahead and dive into, again, they sent me the Acne-Busting Hero box. I like the box. It is very nice the way that they have constructed it. It did come in a mailer bag or a mailer, I think it was in a mailer bag or a box, and then this was down inside. So when we open it up, everything is nicely packed. As always, they always take so much good care in wrapping all of their products. So everything is going to be down in here. It says big thank you. So let me go ahead and remove all of these and get them out of the bag. So the first thing that I am seeing, it says Speedy Perfect Whip, and it looks like it is a foaming, like a cleansing foam right there. So the brand on this is SENKA, it looks like. So that's what it looks like without the plastic on it. And it does say something I cannot read. So I'm assuming this is like a cleansing foam cleanser, and then you can just remove this, and then you can pump it up. So yeah, so here's the first item that is in this kit. Now we have is by iUnic, and I really do enjoy this brand. I tell you guys, everything that I have tried, I really do enjoy. So this one here says it's a tea tree relief serum. Powerful relief, natural moisturizing, soothing care, brightening, and wrinkling care. Ooh, that sounds like a whole lot of good benefits in there. Plus the tea tree is really good as well. So on here, do I see how to use directions? Use the dropper. Gently apply an appropriate amount onto your face and let it absorb. Very simple. So just like a normal serum, but this should be helping with the green tea, and everything that's in here should be helping with acne, because this is the acne fighting box. And I know around my certain monthly situation, when she comes to town, I do break out. So I really enjoy having acne products, so I can start using them when, you know, like a week before when I know my skin is going to start changing. So I'm really excited to start using this now, because it's a tea tree relief serum. And it is a really good size, you guys. It's a big bottle for a serum. So there is the second item. So the next we have is a green tea fresh toner. I love a good toner, especially again with the green tea. This should definitely help my skin around that time for sure. Well, it'll be good anytime, but I do like that it does have green tea in there. And a toner is a toner. After cleansing, you use the toner and then you follow with your normal skincare regimen. So there is this product right there. Can't wait to try that out. Especially, like I said, these products I'm definitely gonna be using around that time, and then I can switch it up. I like that. So then the next item is down in this little box right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut that while I had it in my hand. Oh, and I've been getting a lot from this brand from them, and I've actually really enjoyed this brand as well. So I'm super glad to test out something else. This is an AHA, BHA, PHA 30-day miracle cream. That sounds amazing. Dermatology tested, skin barrier, calming, and moisturizing. How to use: take an appropriate amount and spread evenly into your skin. Simple enough. So there's what the packaging looks like. I like the packaging too. It's really pretty, like a greenish color. So that's what the container looks like, and it is a moisturizer for your face. So after cleansing and toning and you doing whichever for your skincare regimen, you can add this in there as well. And it looks like it's gonna feel amazing. I was like, I think I smell like a little bit of like a green tea or some kind of like a minty scent to it. And yeah, it's a miracle cream, 30-day miracle cream. I cannot wait to try that out. Now we have is some face masks, which I love me some face masks. So this one's for calming, and it's peach. Ooh, and I love peach. This one says, I'm sorry for my skin, jelly mask, pore care. And look at that cute packaging. It's like an ice cream cone. So here's 2 sheet masks, and I'm so excited. I love me some sheet masks. So there's those 2. Now we have is the Acne Pimple Master Patch. I have used these. I really love these. This is one of the brands that I really love, and they do really work. So if you've never used any of the acne patches, I'll show you what it looks like. They're just like a little tiny sticker looking thing that you stick on when you get the first signs of getting like a pimple, acne. And like I put it on and then I go to bed, and at night it like sucks out, it's gonna sound gross, but it sucks out all that nasty stuff. And when you wake up in the morning, it's like stuck to the sticker, and you pull it off and it's all attached to the thing and you throw it away. And it helps like relieve the pain. It helps it go away a lot quicker. So I love these little patches, and anytime that I see them, or I pick them up because I love using them. This one's really neat because it looks like there's 3 different sizes. So you have like a small, a medium, and a large. And then this one comes with a resealable bag. So when you stick it back in here, you can seal it like a Ziploc, and then it keeps them nice and fresh inside. So I do like that. And then the last item is another mask. This one says moisturizing mask with skin fighting whole sheet as light as air. So another face mask. So everything that came in this kit, one more time, we have 3 different sheet masks, which again, I love me some sheet masks, so they sound amazing. You have the pimple patches. That's awesome to have, especially this being an acne box. You have a green tea face serum. You have a 30-day miracle cream. You have a green tea fresh skin toner. So you have that. And then this, I'm going to assume, is a face cleanser. So this is definitely, you use your cleanser first, you use your toner, you can use your serum, and then put on your moisturizer and you're set. You have your whole little skincare regimen right here. So that is really neat. I think that's an amazing thing that they're coming out with these different curated boxes, because then you can pick which curated box would best suit your skin type, and then you can purchase the kit, and you're saving money by purchasing it all in one little box, and you have everything at hand. I like that. So again, going over the different theme boxes one more time, they have a Glow Skin Booster Box for $49.99. That is the most expensive. They have the Skincare Starter Box for $31.99. That is the least expensive. Then they have the Acne Busting Hero box. This one's $34.99. And then they have the Beauty A-Lister and the Wrinkle Fighter box. Both of those are valued for $39.99. I'm absolutely loving Stylevana. They have the best products when it comes to Korean skincare. They have makeup. They have everything that you can imagine pretty much on their website. Anything beauty, skincare related. And yes, INF10 SheCrafty will get you the 10 to 15% off. I will have all of the links and everything down below for you guys if you want to go check them out. And definitely comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this curated box to help fight and help with acne? Do you think all these items would work for that? Do you think this is a good curated box geared towards acne fighting? I do. I can definitely see it with the calming face products, the green tea products, and definitely the pimple patches. That's a must in that box. So that is absolutely amazing. So again, comment down below what you thought of this box. What do you think of Stylevana? Definitely comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew. Out.